Are you tired, Malaya? Auntie Millie wanted me to make a new video for her because she likes to see you. She loves her new tambourine. She likes to hold everything with her thumb. We call her Thumbelina. She likes to dance now. You're a happy baby. Malaya, clap your hands. Yay! Yay! Show everybody, yay! Oh, she's waving. Say hi, everybody. Oh, you sleepy, huh? Okay, Raspberry Queen. So yay, Malaya, yay! Yay, Malaya, yay! Show everybody how you clap. No, okay. Just give me a raspberry. I see how you are. Okay, Malaya. Say night-night, everybody.